And we are live. What's going on? It's Chris and Will from LifterLMS, and you know what day it is. It's Feature Friday, now on Tuesday. Today we got a special demo for you today. One of the things you can do to make your learning management system website more exciting, more engaging, more fun, more motivating is to add gamification. And the way we're going to show you how to do that today to gamify your LMS website is using achievement badges. So achievement badges are little pop-ups that happen kind of like the badges Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts would wear. Will comes from that world. He gets it. He'll probably tell us a little bit about his background with that. But even if your course is, kind of serious in nature, you can still use achievement badges to really help motivate people, give them a little bit of fun and a dopamine hit in their brain for motivation, and give them something to show off and something to collect. You may know about certificates in LifterLMS and how powerful those are. Achievement badges can add a lot more fun and gamification. We're going to take you on a tour today, how to set up achievement badges in your LMS website today. Over to you, Will.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Let me pull up my screen here. Like Chris said, we're going to take a tour of achievement badges, which are a wonderful way to add gamification, a collectible, and sort of delightful surprises to your course program. So where we're going to be starting today is assuming you've already built your course out. So I've got a few example courses here, and these achievement badges kind of go on top of your course programs as like an embellishment to have to the experience, to heighten the experience, because we have our course created, we have our videos, we have our content, but we really want to make this a more engaging piece of media to work with and really leverage the tools we have in WordPress, and LifterLMS allows us to do that. So let's say that I'm going to work on my saving strategy course, and we're going to build an achievement for this course. Let's take a quick look at the engagement system. So over here on the left side menu, you may have seen engagements. You might have even set up a certificate before, but there's more that you can do with engagements than just certificates. We can do achievements. So let me go ahead and I'm going to open this in a new tab. We'll come back to that other tab in a second. So you can see I already have a few achievements laid out, but let's go ahead and add a new one and see what it's made of. So the first thing is adding a title to our achievement. So what I encourage you to do with achievements is think through where in your program you have an opportunity to reward students, because we're going to say when they complete a lesson, they get an achievement. When they pass a quiz, they could get an achievement. When they complete a course, they could get an achievement. So think about where exactly in your course you want to add some of these collectibles or badges that people can get as they go through. And so let's say that the course welcome. Let's say for this example, I want to give somebody an achievement when they complete this course welcome lesson, just as kind of like initiated into the program, or like in Boy Scouts, it could be like a tenderfoot. I think it's called like Scouts of America now, but it's like a tenderfoot when you're like in an organization. I think they have a scout rank, then a tenderfoot, but it's like you're in the organization, but you haven't really gone deep into the course, and that's kind of the vibe I want to get with this achievement. So let's call this, if it's a saving strategy course, I'm trying to think of something creative. It could be like new investor or something. New investor. So this will be our new investor saving strategy course, something like that. Just for internal use, the achievement title will be new investor, and then we can add some achievement content. You've completed your first lesson and are well on your way to success. Something like that. And so achievements comprise a few things. You have the title, you have the content, but you also have over here on the right, the achievement image. And I want to share a different screen to show you some other support LifterLMS has for you on this. So let me jump back into this. This is the LifterLMS graphics pack I have already downloaded to my computer. I share screen, window, right here. Boom. So this is what the LifterLMS graphics pack looks like. When you download this thing, it has all kinds of certificate backgrounds. And if you've been using LifterLMS for a while, you might not even know about this, that you have access to this as a part of the Universe bundle and the Infinity bundle. It's all kinds of graphic assets. A lot of times I find myself going to Canva and building my own assets, but there's a lot of value right here that you can add into your achievements and add into your certificates. So taking a look at, we have health red, we have turquoise. I like turquoise. So these are different achievement badges. And of course, you could download any picture from the internet and add it to your LMS, but LifterLMS has some ones provided to you on that Universe and Infinity level. So I'm going to work with these turquoise ones. Which one would be good for new investor? Probably not the thumbs down.
Maybe the trophy or something.
Okay. Yeah, the trophy. We'll go with that one. Sweet. So I'm going to jump back over to my site real quick and we will add that one. Just wanted to highlight that is sort of a hidden feature of LifterLMS.
And while you're pulling that up, I just want to say that the LifterLMS graphics pack is, people don't always find it because they're used to installing plugins software, but inside your account on lifterlms.com, there's a graphics pack and a downloads button. And you just download it, and you're not downloading a plugin, you're downloading a zip file. It may take a few seconds to download because it's a large file with hundreds of certificate backgrounds and achievement badges in it that you can use that are completely royalty free and ready for you to use and do whatever you want with it. So go check out your account on lifterlms.com if you haven't found this little gem yet.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's in like an other section that's like below all the plugins. So yeah, you can absolutely find that on there. Let me jump. Okay, so I'm in too many windows open right here. So we're going to take this checkmark achievement badge and we're going to customize it a little bit because my favorite color is turquoise and I just want it to be a little different. So I'm going to drag and drop this picture in. Boom. So now this is going to be the icon for my achievement badge. A little more customized. Let's go ahead and publish this. And what we need to do with the achievements is set up an engagement for them. They're part of the LifterLMS engagement system. So this is the new investor achievement. Just an internal title for me. The trigger to give somebody this achievement is completes lesson. Completes a lesson. The lesson is, the ID is going to be very important here, right? So course welcome. Let me figure out what the ID of this lesson is. If I edit the lesson, this is something important to engagements, is figuring out what the ID of your post is. Mine is 3372. It's very small up there in the URL, 3372. So when I come back over here, it's called course welcome. 3372. 3372. I've got a bunch of clones of my course, so I have a bunch of these, but 3372 is what we were looking for. We want to award an achievement, and the achievement we want to award is the new investor. New investor. All right, so we're going to publish this. And that's everything we need to do to set up our achievement to be awarded. So let's go ahead and earn this achievement so that I can feel proud of myself today.
Did you update it? Did you save the post? Update the post there?
Oh, this one? Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
I got that one good to go. So this one should work if I just complete my lesson saving strategy. I should get my new investor achievement over in the right. So you can see you've been awarded a new achievement, the new investor, you've completed your first lesson. And so that's something that people can just kind of collect and see on their student dashboard. And I'll show you a few other awesome things that you can do with this now that we have these set up. These are a couple example achievements we had in the demo site, but this is the one we just built. It's really cool as like a little badge system. And what we can also do with achievements are, I think there's a shortcode for them too, so you could add them anywhere you want on the website. But if you happen to be a LifterLMS social learning subscriber or subscriber to the Infinity Bundle, you can also set up profiles for your users. And on those profiles, users can see their own achievements and see other people's achievements. So if you're not just trying to have it be like collecting cool gems along the way, and you want to have it sort of be a social status and for other people to see where other people are at in your courses, you can have that displayed with LifterLMS Social Learning, where I can see other people's profiles and see what their achievements are. So this is it just adds a whole new dimension to your online course websites. And this is a feature in LifterLMS out of the box. This doesn't even require any add-ons. It doesn't require any additional technology there. It doesn't require anything else other than the LifterLMS core plugin to run these achievements. And then there's the graphics pack in the higher bundles if you want some pre-made stuff for that. I think that is just about everything. Yeah, so you can add these achievements anywhere you want on your website. And I think there might actually be a block for it. Let me check that real quick. If we go to pages.
Yeah, there's a My Achievements shortcode. So there's probably a My Achievements block.
My Achievements block. So if you're a WordPress blocks user, this is also available right here. And so I can add this to any page I want to. And so I can show achievement counts, achievement columns. I can show them for the current user ID. Yeah, so this is something you could add anywhere on your website. So it would be a cool thing to include on a home page, maybe on like a banner or something. And then if you're an Elementor, Divi, Beaver Builder, or Page Builder user, there's a shortcode, like Chris said, that would allow you to put this anywhere you want inside your Page Builder as well, not just the block editor. So achievements, I encourage everyone to use them to add a new level of dimensionality to your online course experience. But I'll pass it back to you, Chris. Is that everything we need for today?
That's awesome. Learning is not just about passing information. It's about creating experiences and making it fun. Gamification is a powerful tool. Once you see it and understand it, you'll start seeing it everywhere, like how in YouTube, once you reach a certain milestone, you get a YouTube play button on your wall and all these things. They do all this because it works. And achievements and certificates, and there's other things you can do as well. So thanks for the great demo, Will. Really appreciate it. Drop a comment, smash the like button, and let us know what you'd like to see in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.